In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get unbanned from Facebook Marketplace. First, open Facebook either in the app or on the website and log into the account that was banned from Marketplace. Make sure you're using the correct account because the appeal and account status details will only appear on the profile that actually lost access. Once you're signed in, go to Marketplace by tapping or clicking the Marketplace icon. If your access has been removed, Facebook will usually show a message explaining that your marketplace access is restricted. This is important because it gives you the first clue about what happened. Take a moment to carefully read that notification. You want to review the reason for the ban as closely as possible. In many cases, Facebook will mention whether the restriction is related to community standards or commerce policies. Understanding that difference helps you know whether the issue came from your listings, account behavior, or another policy concern. If the option is available, tap Request Review or Appeal. When you do this, clearly explain why you believe the ban was a mistake. Keep your message polite, direct, and honest. If Facebook asks for additional information or documents, submit exactly what is requested so your review is not delayed. After that, check your support inbox. You can find it by going to Menu, then Settings and Privacy, then Settings, and then Support Inbox. This is where Facebook usually sends updates about your marketplace appeal, so it's a good idea to monitor it regularly instead of waiting for a separate notification. Next, review your account status in Settings under Account Status. This section can help you identify whether there are account warnings or marketplace violations connected to the restriction. If you see any issues listed there, pay close attention to them before taking further action. You should also remove or edit any listings that may violate Facebook's commerce policies. If a post looks misleading, includes restricted products, or could be interpreted as prohibited or counterfeit, clean it up right away. This can help show that your account is in better standing going forward. Then secure your Facebook account. Change your password, enable two-factor authentication, and verify your email address and phone number. These steps help prove that your account is legitimate and also protect you in case suspicious activity contributed to the restriction. It's also worth updating the Facebook app to the latest version from your device's app store, then restarting the app afterward. This won't remove a real ban, but it can help if you're dealing with display issues or outdated app behavior. Finally, wait for Facebook's decision. The review process can take several days or sometimes longer depending